Alrighty, it is April 30th, 2024, the last trading day of the month, the last day of the month. This is gonna be a quick one. I just really quickly wanted to break down the breaking news trade in Canopy Growth, CGC. So we're gonna look here. I just wanted to highlight initially. We're not gonna break down the Qs or the SPY in much more depth than just the current day's chart. Just to kind of show that with a trade like there was in CGC and some of the other marijuana names today, the overall market direction is basically unimportant. So you'll see today with the SPY leading into the FOMC meeting tomorrow, we moved down 1.58%. Kind of broke the lows of the pre-market and then just trended relatively cleanly downward the rest of the day. The same story was true in the Qs. Broke the pre-market bottom and then moved down a bit in the open. Kind of everything sold off into the close. Everything sold off into the close here. But what we're going to talk about is the play in CGC today. A few months ago, the DEA indicated that they would be working to reclassify marijuana as a safer drug on their drug classification scale. So since then, the marijuana names have been moving kind of up on anticipation. Today, the DEA announced at a little after 10 o'clock Pacific time that they would be reclassifying marijuana as a safer drug classification. And so this trade is very cut and dry. As soon as this news breaks, if it's available, and you see the up move, you want to get long. It's as simple as that. It's a very positive headline for these names, which likely, if the drug is reclassified, means that there's potential for more growth in these companies. So you just want to get long this name. So we moved little around 850. We flew up 78% today on this name. I was away from my desk at the time, so I did not get to take part in this move, but you just have to get long on news like this. Oftentimes with these breaking news trades I've seen before, they'll have an initial pop and pull back a little bit and then be bought up more methodically over the course of the next however many hours. But because, at least the way it looks, based on how strong the catalyst was, there really wasn't much of a pullback at any point. The initial pops were bought even higher. Touched 10, broke through 10, retested, continued, pulled back $1, moved back up, higher, retest, higher, came down a little, higher again. We pushed up very strongly into 14. This is the biggest, most significant pullback. Could be a potential level for a second day play tomorrow on the $13 level, because we touched that, flew back to the upside. We finished at high a day. As simple as you just need to get long when the catalyst is this strong. If you happen to be at the desk, that's the only caveat. You can't make the trade if you're not in front of the computer. And you can't make the trade if you don't see the news. So you kind of have to get lucky sometimes, unless you have a news service delivering the news to you as it breaks. But yeah, this is a 10 out of 10 catalyst, an easy trade if you just got long at pretty much any point today. So yeah, it's that simple. This trade in CGC today, let me know if anyone else took part in this crazy up move. We'll see if we get any follow through tomorrow, but hope everyone has a great day, and remember to trade your playbook and playbook your trades.